What's up, you guys? Just got off work. No, I didn't just get off work. I am home and just doing nothing. It's a pretty chill afternoon. It's about 3 p.m. now. There's really nothing to vlog about, but I'm just gonna film just in case something interesting happens. My mom is napping on the couch. Rizo's napping upstairs. My daughter is right there doing some art. And I'm just sorting some mails right here. And checking my social media, my Facebook, my Instagram, and my YouTube. So yeah, that's all what's going on. We'll see you guys later. Bye. Hey, guess who's awake? Say hello.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Whoa. The house is loud again. Are you gonna show them your piggy, Rizo? Okay, I don't like that anymore. I regret giving that to you. Let me see your piggy. Let me see your piggy.
Mommy, what does regret mean?
Regret means I wish I didn't give you that. Can you show them your piggy? Can you show the camera your piggy? Show the camera your piggy. Piggy, squeeze, squeeze.
Squeezy,
Squeeze, squeeze.
What? No, mommy.
Ain't no fighting. Ooh. Is that Elmo's pants?
It is Elmo's pants.
Mommy.
Where's Elmo?
Look, Rizo.
Mommy, are you ready to open this? Can I eat it now?
Can I see it?
Here.
I've never had this bar. Crunchy peanut butter and a rich chocolate coating. But you're only gonna eat a little bit, okay? Because you're gonna leave some for Daddy. Okay?
Daddy likes it.
Daddy loves this. And I'm gonna ask Daddy if he can get us some donuts. Na 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 na. We bought that instead of buying a belt.
Oh, pwede. May pang matanda. Huwag mo nga i-vlog yan. Busikan mo.
Mommy. Liza, what does the dinosaur say? Why? Say it to mommy. Like, why? Wait, mommy, wait, look. Mommy, wake up. Wake up. Mommy, why don't you hold on you? Why don't just hold on you? Why don't you hold on you?
Mommy. Open Mommy's eyes. Like that.
Why?
Look at this. He is still breathing. Come on. Check her nose, Rizo. If she's still
So it's about 5:45 in the afternoon now, and I am with my husband. We bought a bike from OfferUp, but then we're reselling it, so we did that. And then now with the money that he sold his bike for, he is gonna get a subwoofer. And we are at the lady's house right now, and the lady has a big dog, and Rex is so uncomfortable with the doggy. But the doggy is friendly. He's just not a really good, well, he's not a dog person, but it's okay. He can tolerate the dogs. And yeah, so that's what we're up to. We're gonna go to Winco and Fred Meyer after this to run some errands, and then that's about it. The kids are left at home with my mom, and we're gonna be having dinner when we get home. And I look like a piece of crap right now. Alright, you guys, have a good day. Bye. Hello, YouTube. So it is about 10 minutes till 1, and I just got off the phone with Rex, and I just got off too, and I'm just hanging out in my car because, like I said, I was talking to my husband. I'm gonna go home and take a nap because I am a little too tired today. Probably gonna nap for about 2 hours or maybe 1. And you guys, it's my 5th day. 5 out of 6. 1 more day, and then I get to have a free day to myself. Well, not to myself, to my kids, because they're gonna be with me. And yeah, so I'm going to drive home. It's gonna be another 15 minutes to drive home, and then I will see my baby boy and then go pick up my little girl in about 5 hours. All right, you guys, see you later. Have a good day. What are they doing? What are you guys doing?
Mommy.
Yeah.
Patayin mo lang.
What you doing?
Stinky!
Really, you have a stinky? Ew.
Manluglog to. Batikan pa kadla sana. Come on, give it to mommy.
Thank you. Give mommy a kiss. Mommy kiss. I see your butt.
Mommy kiss. Mommy kiss.
Give mommy
first.
kiss first. Mommy kiss.
Mami makaka. Masulas ka din. Batikan pa kadla.
See?
There you go. There you go. Where's your dinosaur again? He's swimming. Tiga sa yung pal. Pero naumpan pa. Vanilla.
There's cookies and cream, cake batter.
What else? Which one? Tama na yan.
Tama na?
Tama
Okay.
na yan.
What topping you
Soda
want?
siya.
Toppings. Not yet.
Gusto niya dito. Red. Diba lang pantos? Ano mo na yan dyan?
You ready? Come on, we need to go weigh it. We need to go put it on the scale over there. See,
Dito. Ano?
yes, it looks para sa'yo yun eh. Hati sila nagkain dito.
Look at mine.
We can just all eat it all together, okay? No, we have to weigh it, Rizo.
Let me drop.
Carlin, is that your second round of yogurt?
Yeah.
Do you like it?
What do you think?
I don't know. There's a lot of stuff on it. You know what my favorite is?
Which one?
It's a popping boba. Yummy, Bobby? Yummy.
Good.
Good. Hi, Rizo.
You want more? It's really good.
Go! My mom gave me a pen. bubblegum. Bazooka, zooka, bubblegum. Bazooka, zooka, bubblegum. My mom gave me a nickel. My mom gave me a
Night, Rizo. Make a whole jungle, Rizo.
Yeah, because you have so much dinosaurs. I'll help you make the dinosaur jungle. Right over here, I'll help you make the dinosaur
Can you look for
jungle.
Petrie? Oh, that's Sarah.
Sarah? Oh look, here's a...
What's that?
It's opening it.
Whoa.
Look.
Oh my goodness, that's awesome.
Another Sarah.
Kasi,
Whoa.
dami yung kinuha.
How many Sarahs are there?
Where's Petrie? Can you find Petrie? Oh, that's like a little
Mountain.
mountain.
Here's another mountain.
Wow.
Another mountain. We gotta go
Set it up over there. Whoa, what's that? Huh? Maybe.
Sarah, look.
50? I don't know. Yung shoulder niya kasi.
Another Sarah. How many Sarahs are there? No,
That's a shark tooth.
I know.
There's no Petrie?
Another.
Oh no!
Let me look if there is a picture. Daddy! I don't see a picture. Oh, look, I found some little more dinosaurs. Interesting! Interesting!
Uncle!
Yes?
He's calling you. You gonna show Uncle your dinosaur?
Can I see?
Oh, show Uncle your dinosaur.
Look at our dinosaur village! Look at our dinosaur village!
Can I see?
Show Uncle your dinosaur.
Wow.
Owie!
Looks like you.
Can
I see?
Oh, that's small.
Okay, there you go.
Owie.
Wow. Nice.
Oh no, my finger, no. Emma, what a lesson.
Say good morning, guys.
Good morning, guys.
Right
Emma, what a lesson.
I know. Can you say good morning?
Good morning, Daddy.
What? Say good morning, YouTube.
Good morning, Bobby.
No, good morning, YouTube.
Good morning, YouTube.
Good job.
Morning, YouTube.
Hi, guys. It is about 9 o'clock in the morning, and it's Mommy's day off. Well, it's my day off every Friday. I have every Friday off, and so I get to spend family time with the kiddos. Usually we go to the library, but we already went yesterday with Rex, and so...
But Mommy, we forgot. Mommy, we forgot the Peter Cat and the Missing Comics book.
I know, we gotta go back later today, okay? And the kids already got some books to read for the rest of the week. And what we're doing now is we're gonna go downstairs and have some breakfast. Are you guys ready to go downstairs?
Yeah, come on.
Let's go downstairs. Come on. Hey, give me the book. Give me the book, please.
This is my book.
Okay, I'll hold the book.
Okay.
Hey, Rizo, can I hold the book? Good morning, guys. Like I said, it's Friday morning. It's around 9:20 o'clock or 9:20 o'clock. It's 9:20 in the morning already, and I am prepping the kids' breakfast, or my breakfast too. Today is gonna be a chill day. I'm just gonna stay home with the kids, do some cleaning a little bit, and then I'm gonna need to pack because tomorrow we are going to Great Wolf Lodge for a birthday party. And then maybe the next day, which is Sunday, we're going to Oregon for something. You guys are gonna see why. Yeah, today too, on my little downtime, I know I haven't posted anything since the past 3 weeks. I just want to let you guys know that I have a little bit of snippets of what has happened the past 3 weeks, and I am just on the process of putting it all together, editing and all that stuff. So you guys watch out for that. They are probably gonna be all coming out right after another. And so yeah, that's what we're up to, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye. Alright, you guys, so this is what's for breakfast today. We are making some cereal pancake. It's Fruit Loops cereal pancake. I saw that on YouTube. No, not YouTube, Facebook. There you go. And that's the finished product. It's not perfect, but it's edible, I swear. And bacon. Yeah, but the kids love the sweet Hawaiian roll, and they had like 2 rolls each. So I don't even stinking know if they're still gonna eat this. But then I can always freeze it anyways. So yeah, and we can take it for breakfast tomorrow at Great Wolf Lodge. Alright, just letting you guys know. Bye. Oh no. What did you find? Rizo, what is that?
Mama.
I think Rizo just found his dad's chocolate stash. Can I see it? Can I see? Show mommy. Can you show mommy? What is that? Can I see? Give it to mommy. Give it to mommy. That's daddy's. That's dad. Hey little guys. No, not little guys. Hey guys. It's 1:30 in the afternoon, and I haven't done nothing. All I did was feed the kids, and then I talked to my old friend for about an hour, and then we went upstairs and I put away most of the kids' clothes, and I still haven't packed for tomorrow. That's supposed to be my goal. I'm supposed to be doing a little bit of laundry for myself because I need something, and it's not clean. I should be loading the washer now. I should be packing now, but what am I doing? I'm like leaning here on the corner and just chilling and watching Land Before Time with my kids. Oh yeah, and they're supposed to be napping too. It's 1:30 and Rex will be home at 5. I should get all that done by the time he gets home because we're going to my in-laws when Rex gets here because it's my brother-in-law's birthday and we're gonna have dinner over there. And my in-laws miss the kids because they haven't seen them in about a week. So yeah, that's what's going on, and that's where I'm at right now. So, oh yeah, and they still need to take a nap, these two. So hopefully at around 2 o'clock, I'll get back with you guys and we'll see what I got done or what I had accomplished. Hopefully by then I'll be in bed with them and we'll be napping, or they will be napping and not me. Alright, see you guys later. Bye. Hello guys, it's about 2:30 in the afternoon right now, and I am currently putting this little boy to sleep now. Hopefully it won't take too long for him to nap or to fall asleep, and then after that, I'm gonna finally put some clothes together because I just cleared out all of the baskets of clothes, finally kind of put them away. I have one more basket left. And so, yeah, I will see you guys in a little bit. Bye. What do you want?
I kiss.
You want mommy kiss you, Awi?
I
Okay.
kiss Ali.
Okay, I kiss your Awi. Give me. Where?
Again.
Again?
Again.
Okay. Okay, all done now, okay?
I'm done now.
What are you gonna say? Okay, what are you gonna say?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Love you. What are you gonna say?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, good night now, okay?
Okay.
Night. Hello guys, we are on our way to my mother-in-law's place for my brother-in-law's birthday. Marlon, say hi. Look how pretty she is. Oh, there's Rizo. He's saying hi. Papa and get pizza first and then coffee. I think if he's okay that I drink more coffee. And we gotta make sure he doesn't have flour though. You look cute though. So yeah, we're gonna go to Mount Lake. Okay, we'll talk to you later. Bye. Okay, so you guys, we just picked up the pizza after the.
Hi guys!
Rex says hi. Go do it.
Hi guys!
Hi guys. So we picked up the pizza after the long, crazy traffic, and you wouldn't think that Rizo knows what's going on, but he smelled the pizza. He didn't even see it. Did he see it? Did you see the pizza, Rizo? But I guess he can smell the pizza. It's funny.
I can smell it too.
That is so funny. Did you smell the pizza, Rizo?
Yeah.
Yeah? You want some pizza? Okay, we'll get pizza later, okay? Hi.
So we gotta get Mama's coffee.
Can we get coffee so mommy can be a little awake?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. I have the best family. And the best husband. Why are you laughing?
Good.
You have the best daddy. You have the best daddy, right?
Daddy's silly.
Daddy's silly, but he's the best, right? See? He broke a nail, guys. Poor baby. Alright,
Daddy's not
later.
a baby.
Rizo, what are you eating?
Ready? Next time.
What you eating?
Right at 3. 3.
Picking on that, picking that.
Riley, stop.
Alright.
I'll play again later.
Eat first.
Birthday uncle Ryan.
Ryan daw, happy birthday.
Now it's raining again, so I
Are
have
you playing airplane?
to play.
Who has the best airplane?
Me.
You?
Yes.
Well, can I see how it flies? Whoa! How about your airplane, Rizo?
That was mine.
Can I see your airplane?
There,
Where's your airplane?
we got mixed up.
No airplane? Where's your airplane? You don't have airplane. That's okay. Hey guys, it's about 10 o'clock at night now. We just got home from Rex's parents' house. And I think I'm gonna end the vlog here for today. It's Saturday. Oh no, it's Friday. I'm gonna end the vlog now because we're gonna be doing stuff and start getting ready and finalize the packing for Great Wolf tomorrow. And I'm gonna wipe the babies down, get them ready for bed first. and then start packing and maybe clean up the house before we leave for tomorrow. So you guys have a good weekend. I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. And goodbye.